Hello everyone. This is the second step out of 10 of the Phoenix Code tutorial. You already know how to draw a ball from working through the previous article, so now let's make it move. Technically, we will be painting the ball on the screen, clearing it and then painting it again in a slightly different position every frame to make the impression of movement, just like how movement works with the movies. To keep constantly updating the canvas drawing on each frame, we need to define a drawing function that will run over and over again, with a different set of variable values each time to change sprite positions, etc. You can run a function over and over again using a JavaScript timing function such as setInterval or requestAnimationFrame. Delete all the JavaScript you currently have inside your HTML file except for the first two lines, and add the following below them. The draw function will be executed within setInterval every 10 milliseconds. Thanks to the infinite nature of setInterval, the draw function will be called every 10 milliseconds forever, or until we stop it. Now, let's draw the ball. Add the following inside your draw function. Try your updated code now. The ball should be repainted on every frame. You won't notice the ball being repainted constantly at the moment, as it's not moving. Let's change that. First, instead of a hard-coded position at 50,50, we will define a starting point at the bottom center part of the canvas in variables called x and y, then use those to define the position the circle is drawn at. First, add the following two lines above your draw function, to define x and y. Next, update the draw function to use the x and y variables in the arc method, as shown in the following highlighted line. Now comes the important part. We want to add a small value to x and y after every frame has been drawn to make it appear that the ball is moving. Let's define these small values as dx and dy and set their values to 2 and -2 respectively. Add the following below your x and y variable definitions. The last thing to do is to update x and y with our dx and dy variable on every frame, so the ball will be painted in the new position on every update. Add the following two new lines indicated below to your draw function. Save your code again and try it in your browser. This works okay, although it appears that the ball is leaving a trail behind it. The ball is leaving a trail because we're painting a new circle on every frame without removing the previous one. Don't worry, because there's a method to clear canvas content, clearRect. This method takes 4 parameters, the x and y coordinates of the top left corner of a rectangle, and the x and y coordinates of the bottom right corner of a rectangle. The whole area covered by this rectangle will be cleared of any content previously painted there. Add the following highlighted new line to the draw function. Save your code and try again, and this time you'll see the ball move without a trail. Every 10 milliseconds the canvas is cleared, the blue circle, our ball, will be drawn on a given position and the x and y values will be updated for the next frame. Now let's try to clearing our code by separated the function. We will be adding more and more commands to the draw function in the next video, so it's good to keep it as simple and clean as possible. Let's start by moving the ball drawing code to a separate function. That's all. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Phoenix Code. Log out.